Something pretty interesting here. As we said, the designer and the manufacturer's here at HELIFEST, and he's doing the demo right now. So
that's a first, right? You get very few.
Yeah. How often do you see the owner of the company out doing a demo, looking like just all the rest of the pilots?
Well, that means he's close to it, right? He's invested in it.
Oh yeah, he is. And when he goes out, he actually wants it to work just like we do. So it's crazy because when he goes out to fly, he has the exact same feeling we do.
And you're working with him with your products as well, right?
Yeah. This is actually the second time he's flown this helicopter. This is...
It's not his?
Yeah, it's not his.
Whose is it?
That's mine.
Ah. Very trusting.
No problem. It's his helicopter.
I wonder if do you get cheap spares as well?
Yeah, I have to go work in the factory. I put labels on.
Fair enough. I can imagine going into the factory like being a toy shop and you're like filling your pockets full of spares.
Yeah. When you go there, it's hard not to fill the whole case up with parts.
When the boss isn't looking.
Yeah.
What you do is you stick a transmitter in his hands, and right now we can do whatever we like.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Is that the suitcase he comes back overweight in, or just himself?
Oh, tick-tocking loop there. That was nice. Got some set maneuver action going on.
We're teaching you. If you stand in front of the speaker, squeals at them.
Oh, okay.
And you do that to wake him up.
Oh, there he's going.
He doesn't care, look.
Well, I mean, it's his helicopter. He's comfortable with it.
Technically, it is his helicopter.
Yeah. So one thing with the Nimbus is that we really tried for this size helicopter to make a... That must be the metal plate.
Ooh, someone's playing. All weekend I've been doing this.
Oh, Jason, Ross said you didn't cut the grass short.
So this is XLPower out there flying the Nimbus. Very capable.
Yeah.
And quite docile when he puts it into a nice little pie dish. It's quite gentle.
Exactly. It's great. It's actually really good for if you're just going to go out there and putt around and hover. If you're going to do sport flying, I think this is like the perfect helicopter for even an airplane pilot because you can fly big and fast. You can fly small.
Sorry, we don't talk about airplanes over this side. Again, teach your lessons as we go along. We'll leave them on the other side.
Okay. But anyways, you can hear the engine sounds really good. It's running smooth. It's holding RPM, and that was kind of a big key point with this is to make it so it's an everyday flyer.
It's not intimidating either at 600 size, right?
No, not at all.
But as you showed earlier, capable of the big airs.
Yeah, absolutely. It goes fast and big too.
And I think it's fair to say XLPower have got quite a range of models.
Yeah. This is the 550. We've got a 700. There's even a 380 Protos that was super popular over the years.
It's still amazing that he's out there flying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe you've got a product. You fly your own product.
Yes.
Oh, lower. Free spares available.
I think I saw a little bit of grass go up there.
So this is XLPower demo. Just as a reminder, we are now going to go straight into our international pilots. So international pilots, if you can make your way to the pits. We will be running in reverse order from the running order of yesterday. Sorry, who's flying out there?
So this is RA KABUN, the owner of XLPower. You see on one kind of interesting thing too is when you see a guy post answers and stuff to questions online, named RA KABUN with a little black XO logo. That's actually him.
The real
guy.
The real guy.
That is not hired help. That's him.
Straight to the manufacturer, right? That's the first. Thank you very much, XLPower.
Move on the map,